give us back our friend?
Anything! Just please don't make any more noise!
What happened?
The neon's gone, and we haven't rescued Jin-Ho.
We'll get him back. We've still got the box.
What's in it? Wow, it must have been the Chillin's magic.
It's more than magic. It's my purpose. The Neon stole it from me a long time ago. It's good to have it back. I'd like to test it out. What about that friend of yours who's in trouble?
Jin-Ho!
Can you get us to the neon?
There and back. Hold on!
It's gone. We've lost the box. It's all your fault.
Isn't everything?
Huh? Maybe we can still get those stupid elements. Let's go.
What took you so long?
How dare you invade my palace! Make yourselves at home. Just no more noise.
Hey guys, my mouth is starting to freeze.
As good as that sounds.
Hey! Huh? Thanks. That cold slab was giving me a really stiff neck.
Time to get out of here.
First, I must free the others.
Take out all this stuff. Who dares enter my kingdom?
We're actually looking for...
Silence! You shall be punished. For your impudence, you must do the dishes.
What will you do now?
I must fulfill my destiny and do heroic deeds and find people in need of help.
Since you're offering... Whoa! My leg still hasn't woken up yet.